Welcome back to God's Best Graphic Design. Today I'm going to be teaching on how you can create simple logo design, most especially for your brand or for your client initially. So now let's dive into training. Click on this interface and then click on color. You're not making use of gradient, so you change it to color. Click on this plus icon. Okay, leave it at white. Okay, what we are going to do next is to come to this interface and click this A interface and click on it, click on test, and as well click on edit. You write, you type X. Okay, so you increase the size, and you go to font. You change the font after you have installed and download Rain 4 font. So we are making use of Rain 4. I hope you can see it. You change the color to black. Alright, increase the size, increase it to 330. Yeah, it's okay. 330 is a good number. So we are going to lock it. Click on this, and this to lock your design. Okay, so what we are going to do next is to copy and write A. Alright, so what we are going to do is to reduce it to 328, then you bring it closely. Alright, I hope you can see it. Okay, so what we are going to do next is to merge both together. Merge, let me do it again. Click on this. Okay, click on this. Okay, click on it. Then what we are going to do next is to click on this. I hope you are seeing. Please follow every step. But before you click on this, you have to click on this these two columns to select what we are trying to merge. Select the letters, then you click on this, then you are going to click on OK. Good, so we are good to go. So what we are going to do next is to come to relative position. You centralize. Okay, you centralize it, then you lock it. Good. So what we are going to do next is to click on A and test. You write Success Avenue. Okay, so you change the font. I'm using Gotham bold. Okay, Gotham, I use this font, Gotham bold. Okay, Gotham, change the color to black, increase the size a bit to 42, centralize. Alright, reduce it to 41, centralize. Okay, good. So what I'm going to do next is to copy again and write your success is our priority. Your success is our priority. Alright, we are not using this font. We are going to change our font now. We are still using Gotham, but we are not using bold now. We are using Gotham book. Okay, Gotham book. Alright, Gotham book. So we're going to bring it in. All right. Okay. So what we're going to do next is to come to style, click on style, and click on this eye icon. I hope you can see it. Good. So please ensure you follow every step I took here in this tutorial video. Make sure you follow them. Okay. So what we're going to do next is to come to import, then click on this. All right. Click on it, and you come to erase color. Okay, I hope you can see the changes. Good. So what I'm going to do next is to okay, all right, I hope you can see this. So we are still making use of something. You have to click on it again, and you bring in this. All right, bring in this, and you centralize. Make use of a relative position to centralize. Centralize it. You lock. You take it to the back. All right. Then you are going to come to erase color. You click on it. It seems you are not seeing it, right? But don't worry. Come to color. Click on color. I hope you can see the changes. Now you come and choose black color. Don't worry. Come to opacity. Reduce the opacity. Reduce it to 20. Let me say 25. 25 is a good number. All right. So what we're going to do next is to merge both together. You have to merge all together now. Merge it together, and you increase the size. You increase the size. You increase the size. You centralize using your relative position. Okay. So what we are going to do next is to lock. You can either leave it like this, or you choose to add stroke to it. Okay. Adding stroke, you can choose this color depending on your choice. Okay, you can choose this color to add your stroke. Leave it at 2. Is either you do it like this, or is that you save your work. I prefer this, but is that you leave it like this, or you remove the stroke depending on your choice. So let me leave my work like this. I think with this it looks more captivating the way it is. And what we are going to do next is to click on this. Want to save our work now? Click on it. You click on, if you save as project, that means that you can come back at any time to work on it. Okay, but if you save as image, you cannot come back to work on it if you don't save on if you don't save as project, because at times some of your clients might need some adjustments. Okay, so that is why it is advisable to save your work as project first. Do you get now? So I'm going to save as image. Say you are going to click on this place and change it to, you change the image format to PNG, and change it from default to ultra, and you save your work. You save your work. Okay, After this, now what you are going to do next is to go to your you have to go to Adobe Photoshop. You have to go to Adobe Photoshop and then click on it. What we want to do is to bring out the beauty of our design. You click on double. Okay, you click on double, and then what we are going to do next is to come to detail and increase the sharpness. Okay, all right. So this is our design. This is the end product of our design. So sorry, you are going to click on this while you want to save from Adobe. Sorry, I forgot to tell you this. You are going to click on here. Yeah, you are going to see it's going to save directly to your gallery, and this is our final product of our design. This is it. This is it. So this is how you can make or create images on your phone. Thank you. See you in our next design. Bye for now.